We're here with Jamaica goalkeeper, actually the starting goalkeeper today. Jahmali Waite, that's what it's pronounced. Alright, first of all, congrats on yet another call up for the national team. What does that mean to you?
It's a great feeling to be able to represent my country. Of course, it shows what I'm doing at my club team, and the coaching staff is seeing that, and they keep calling me in.
Alright, so you came in today, and in my opinion, you had a solid game. Not making any mistakes. Being dependable and reliable when your team needed you. What goes into a good performance? What is it that leads up or builds you up to perform this well for whether a club or a country?
I think it's just being confident in yourself, being confident in your abilities. Like, you know what you can do. You're in training every day, and obviously as a goalkeeper, mistakes are costly. So you gotta be switched on at all times. Even when the ball is at the other end, you gotta be ready.
In the current Jamaican pool, there are some very talented goalkeepers. You being one of them, and it's a dog fight to get into the 26 or the 25 or the 23 for any given match day squad. What do you think your chances are of making it into the squad next week and then going forward into the Gold Cup?
I'll leave that up to the coaches. I think that all I can do is keep playing well at my club and keep showcasing myself, and if the opportunity comes, then I'm ready.
All right. And how does it feel to play at home in the national stadium?
That's a great feeling. It's something I've always dreamt of as a kid. You play here, schoolboy football, but playing here for your country is definitely a great feeling.
All right. And domestically, you're having a very good season and playing in your division. What can we expect from Waite going forward in his career?
For me, I think it's just being more consistent, keep showing what I can do, and show up every day and do my job.
All right. Well, in my opinion, I think you definitely deserve a spot on the plane to Mexico. Good luck, good game, and congrats again on playing for Jamaica.
Thank you.